My dog loves eating fresh made dog food, so I'm happy to make it for her. But I'm also happy when I know that I'm giving her all the nutrients that she needs. Whatever ingredients you want to put into your home dog food, your dog is going to need additional supplements. And RX Essentials for Dogs and C-Cow are two very good choices to start with. So the total proportions need to be sized to whatever size your dog is. But the base meal ingredients that I have in here is 1.8 pounds of chicken, 2 ounces of chicken livers, 12 ounces of mixed vegetables, 1/3 cup dry brown rice, 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes. I mince up 2 ounces of liver, spread that across the chicken, and then I mix it together. Meat mixture at a 50-50 ratio, 50% meat, 50% rice, mixed vegetables, and sweet potatoes. That gives me a mixture like this. But if you only feed your dog that mixture, you are not giving it the nutrients it needs. So, this RX Essentials for Dogs to be given daily. This does not go into this mixture. It's based on the size of your dog. My dog gets a little over 1/4 teaspoon at 13 pounds. Your dog needs calcium, so you can do it with eggshells, but I'm using this C-Cow supplement. This can be mixed directly in here. So, last little piece of this pie is pink salmon. I'm going to experiment with oysters and sardines, but right now 2 ounces of the pink salmon is what is recommended that I mix into this mixture. I have minced this down to a very fine level, and we're going to mix it all in with this. So if you should happen to make a purchase from the products that we're discussing in this video, I will receive a small commission at no cost to you. Here I'm just trying to distribute it, so I'm going to add about half of it, and then stir it all together, and then I'll dump the other half in, stir it a little bit, put in some of the C-Cow, and stir it, and then I will add the rest of the C-Cow and stir it again. I'm going to save you some time, and that's exactly what I do here. And I'm going to add the C-Cow. And this will vary depending on your batch size that you're mixing. This goes by pounds. It goes by pounds. I'm adding 3.5 teaspoons for the quantity that I have mixed in here. I'll put 3 to 4 days in a sealable container, and the rest of it I'll bag up and freeze in 2-day meal sizes. Okay, now it's time to scoop out your dog's allotted portion. In my case, she gets 1/3 cup twice a day, and this is her evening meal.